Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning. I know you guys are so excited. What we're going to do right now is we're going to go over how to find an area of the triangle using a determinant right here. All right, of a 3 by 3. We're going to look at problem number 11. All right, we have 3 ordered pairs right here. And I want you guys to understand how to set this up because you'll see problems like this on the final. Okay. So if you were to do this problem, all right, the absolute value of the area of the triangle is going to be 1/2 times a certain determinant. Now, Nick, how are we going to set this up using this set of ordered pairs? What's going to be in my first row?
-8.
-8, 10,
1.
1. Good. Second row?
6.
6,
17.
17,
1.
1. And last row?
2.
2,
-4.
-4.
1.
So basically, you just take these ordered pairs, set them right over each other with just one. All right. Now, to start this process, what am I going to have to put over here?
First, second row.
All right, my first column and second column. So we have -8, 10, 6, 17, 2, and -4. Very important that you get these organized, very nice and neat, because what am I going to do now? Nick, what's the next step?
Make the 8 go through.
We start drawing diagonals, all right? So we're going to start these diagonals right here as best as we can. And we have to take the product of the first diagonal, add it to the product of the second, and add it to the product of the third. Okay? So what's the product? What do you get for the product of the first diagonal, Nick?
-136.
-136. So -8 times 17 times 1 gives me that. Product of the second diagonal, 20. Product of the third,
-24.
-24. All right. So you add all those up together. All right. And what did you get when you added all of that up together? -140. All right. So that right there, this is the sum of the first 3 products of the 3 diagonals. Okay. So that's the first step. Okay. What's the next step in this process? We got to do the next set of diagonals. If you thought that was a yawn, it really wasn't. That was just sounds of excitement happening this morning. That's what that was. Sounds of excitement. Wow. All right, so Dylan, help me out here. We're gonna find the sum of the next 3 products. What's the first product right here?
2 and 17, so it'll be 34.
That's right, 34. Good.
Then 32, -3.
That's right. You get right. 32 because you got a negative and a negative. Good. And last we got 60. Good. So we add all of these together right here. And what did you get when you got the sum of all of those? 126. Now this is where students kind of make a mistake. All right. So what we have to do is we got to take the first one, and we actually have to do it. We have to take away what? The sum of the second. So we take the first, we plug in -140 minus 126. And what does that give us? That gives us a -266. But what do we have to do to that? We have to take this and multiply it by a half. But we're going to say, since we know our answer has to be positive, we're going to multiply it by -1/2. And we get 133. Because remember, the final answer is going to be the absolute value of whatever number that you get. All right? So even if you forgot to multiply, let's say you got a -133, the absolute value of -133 is still a positive 133. This represents the amount of what? The amount of acres, the acreage, all right, in this particular problem. If you read through the problem, all right, it's asking for how many acres is going to be in that parcel of land. So all you need to find the area of a triangle is 3 ordered pairs. You find the 3 ordered pairs, you can use them and find the area of the triangle without having to find the base or the height of the triangle. That's it.